Welcome to Ooma Office. One of the most powerful features of Ooma Office is its ability to integrate with popular CRMs, like Zoho CRM. To set up this integration, start by navigating to the Zoho Marketplace, which you can easily locate with a quick Google search. Use the search bar within the Zoho Marketplace to look for Ooma Office. Once you've accessed its page, click the Install button to begin the setup. In the pop-up window, check all the boxes to agree to the terms of service, then click Install. The installation process will run in the background, and once it's complete, you'll be automatically redirected to the Zoho CRM portal. Before that, however, you'll need to accept another terms of service agreement, but this time from the Ooma Office side. Once the Zoho CRM portal loads, the Ooma Office widget will appear, prompting you to log in. Enter your Ooma Office credentials and click the Login button. Once logged in, the widget will close automatically. To reopen it, simply click the phone handset button located in the portal's bottom panel. As you can see, you now have access to your call history through Ooma Office, confirming that the integration has been successfully set up. Thanks for watching.